In India, we are facing the problem of food wastage in the entire supply chain. So we started S4S to tackle the problems faced by both the grower, the farmers, and also the industrial customers, the food and beverage industry, for perishable food preservation. S4S Technologies is the revolutionary industry in dehydration, working since 2011. We work with smallholder women farmers through intervention of sustainable solar power technologies. Using these equipment, they can start the processing and produce products that are converted into non-perishables. The converted products come to our central processing factory. We have a state-of-the-art central food processing factory on land of 1 acre at Shendra 5-star MIDC, Aurangabad. We have a team of 80+ well-trained employees and advanced machinery. We are putting our effort into making convenience food with the best quality to cater in the market, with testing at every level right from procurement to the final product. We have a linear flow production line to prevent cross-contamination. With our patented in-house designed smart dryers, we can dehydrate onions, ginger, garlic, turmeric and all types of fruits and vegetables. We have a line of our secondary processing machine where we can convert our product forms, shapes as per the requirement from the customer. After processing, if required for size grading, we are using a vibratory shifter. We have a pulverizer machine for grinding applications. With this machine we can get a finesse product. For verification of material, we have set up a manual sorting table. There we remove the contamination of product-related defects and foreign particles, if any. After all the process, we are passing material to a highly sensitive metal detector machine for identification of Fe, NFE, and SS parts. After completion of the metal detector, we are packing accepted material for final finished goods. We are checking all necessary lab analysis in process material, RM, and finished goods. After making a certificate of analysis of the material, our material gets ready for the dispatch. Before dispatch, we are doing inspection of vehicle conditions and transporter reliability, and then planning for dispatch to our valuable customers. We are committed to serving customers with the best quality, made with quality ingredients, at competitive prices. We have 15+ products and about 45 SKUs. Our products include dehydrated vegetables and spices, like onion, ginger, garlic, carrot, French beans, tomato, etc., in the form of flakes, chopped, minces, granules and powder. We are continuously expanding our products list with the times and customer preferences. To appeal to them, we have a brand as Moomba. We have a well-qualified team, working towards continuous improvement. We arranged meetings to solve continuous challenges, market requirements, and process improvement. We are the first certified company in the food industry from FSSC 22000 in Aurangabad. We have certification from FSSAI, Halal and Spice Board. We are making a revolution in the dehydration industry and building toward Make in India.